All right, this is Atimise Maths Academy, where mathematics is made simple. Go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we are going to talk about word problems leading to simultaneous linear equation. Word problem, and I discovered something. That was why I want to help students. Word problem is always giving student problem. It's called word problem, and it's still giving student problem. In the exam times, whenever I observe them writing exam, I see that they will be skipping word problem. So I now decided that, okay, let's get solution to this problem. So now we want to talk about word problem on simultaneous equation. So how do we see a word problem? Word problem is like life problem, what we are passing through. How do we relate it to mathematics? So we'll get started. There are two questions here. The first question and the second question. So let us solve it one by one. We'll write by solution. Now, let's go to the number one. The number one, we said in 10 years' time. Now, when you are reading a word problem, please, I will beg of you, don't read it as if you are reading novel. No, don't read it so fast. Read it and inside of yourself, ask yourself some questions. What are they saying? What are they asking me to do? Now, in 10 years' time, wow, a father will be twice as old as his son. 10 years ago, he was 6 times as old. How old are they at present? Now, 10 years time. Note, the year is what? 10. 10 years. 10 years. You say, let the father age be F and son age be S. Let the father age be F and son age be S. Okay? Now, in 10 years' time, the father will be twice. That means the father, now we'll talk about in 10 years' time. 10 years' time. 10 years' time is the future. It's talking about the future. 10 years' time is the future. 10 years' time is the future. And anytime we are talking about future, we are plusing. So, this implies that in 10 years' time, which is the future, the father will be plus 10 is equal to, a father will be twice as old as his son. Okay, so let's put the future. Then ago, 10 years ago. Now, this is for past. Is the past. The father will be minus 10. While the son will be x minus 10. Then for this other side, the son, let's say the son will be x plus 10 in the future. In the future, it will be what? In the future. Okay. We're in the future. So, let's get it now. I'll bring out our parameter. Let the father be F. Let the son be S. And in the future, the father is plus 10. In the future, the son is plus 10. While in the past, which is ago, the father is minus 10 and the son is minus 10. So let's correlate this to the equation. In 10 years' time, a father will be twice as old as his son. That is, F plus 10 is equals to twice the son, X plus 10. Now, open the bracket. We have F plus 10 is equal to 2x plus 20. 2 times 10. Collect like terms. Now we have F. Now take all the variable. Variable means take all the alphabets to one side. So the son will be coming to this side, minus 2s. Minus 2s. How this s looks like, but this place is x. 2x is equal to 20 minus 10. So F minus 2s is equals to 10. Now if you check very well, we name this equation 1. We name it equation 1. Now 10 years ago, what happened 10 years ago? Let's come back to this side. 10 years ago, the father, which is F minus 10, the father is 6 times as old. The father is 6 times as old as the son. So you have 6, bracket open, X minus 10. All right? So we have F minus 10 is equal to 6s minus 60. Collect items. We have F minus 6s is equal to minus 60 plus 10. We have F minus 6x is equal to minus 50. This is equation 2. Let's bring the equations. Bring the equations. Now I want to bring equation 1 and equation 2. Now bringing the equation, we have F minus 2s is equals to 10 and F minus 6s is equals to minus 50. Now at this point in the equation, they did not ask us to use any of the methods. So at this point we can use elimination method, substitution method. You remember I've taught you substitution method and elimination method. So any of the methods you want to use is okay. You get your answer. So at this point now, I can decide to use elimination method to get it more easier. If you are familiar with your substitution method, no problem. Now one of the reasons why I want to use elimination method is because F and F, they have the same coefficient. This is 1, this is white. Okay. Okay, this place should be 15, not 5. Not just 5. Thank you. Because why? Equation 2 now here. Using the elimination method, eliminate F. Okay? Eliminate F. Now, I bring back the equations. F minus 2s is equals to 10. F minus 6s is equals to minus 50. Now, I want to introduce a sign. Remember, when you are reading your books, you might be using different languages. No problem. You see me, I'm writing so many things. So other books too might write different things. So just like what I've taught you in my previous video, that is what I'm repeating. I like repeating a particular pattern. All right. At this point now, if here is plus, because I want to eliminate F, so my eyes will be focusing on just this F. So any sign I introduce to take away one of the F, or the F, it will be affecting everything. So I want to introduce negative here because both of them are plus. And this negative will be affecting the down part of the equation. So you have F minus F, we have 0. This times this will give us plus. This will give us plus. So it will be minus 2, something like this, minus 2s plus 6s will give us 4s. Then if you observe here, there will be 10 plus 50, which should give us 10 plus 50, which should give us 60. We divide both sides by 4. We divide both sides by 4. X is equal to, now if you check very well, we have 15 plus 15 is 30 plus 15 plus 15 will give us 60. So we have 15 for the sun. Now put S is equal to 15 into equation 1. Let's use equation 1. Equation 1. Now, if you check very well, equation 1 is this. So let's put 15. Anywhere we see S, let's put 15. So therefore, we have F. I'm working with this. F minus 2 bracket open 15. F minus 2 bracket open 15 is equal to 10. Let's open the bracket. F minus, this is 30, is equals to 10. Then F is equal to this 30, or let me even bring the 10 first. 10 plus 30, which should give us F is equals to 40. Therefore, the father age presently is 40 years. I will put years here because we are dealing with year. 40 years, 15 years, 40 years. And the sun is 15 years. 15 years presently. So this was what they give us. So this was what they asked us from the question. So at this moment, let's solve number 2. Presently, the sun is 15 years. So let's go to our second question. Let's write solution on the second question. Solution on the second question, number 2. Now, the sum, anytime you hear the word the sum means plus. The sum of 2 numbers is 19, and the difference is 5. Find the numbers. Let's say, let the numbers be X and Y. This implies that, let's get it step by step. The sum of 2 numbers is 19. The sum of 2 numbers, that is X plus Y. The sum of 2 numbers. And I've said, let the numbers be X and Y. Then the sum of these numbers, X and Y, is equal to 19. This is equation 1. Now, coming downward, we said, and their difference is 5. Difference means minus. That means X minus Y is equal to, their difference is 5. This is equation 2. So let's use elimination method. Okay, using elimination method, eliminate Y. Now let's bring back the equations. X plus Y is equals to 19. X minus Y is equals to 5. Now let's introduce a sign. Since we want to eliminate Y, And I told you when you have plus and minus, just bring plus. So add plus to it. So you have this will cancel this. This is 2x is equal to 19 plus this will give us 24. Divide both sides by 2. This will cancel this. X will be equals to 12. Now, put x is equals to 12 into equation 2. I told you can take any one. Now, we have 12 minus y is equals to 5. 12 minus y equals to 5. We have minus y is equals to 5 minus 12. We have minus y is equal to, we have, if you take away 12 from this, you have 7. You have 7. Okay, so divide both sides by negative. You have y is equal to minus 7. Okay, y is equals to minus 7. I think this place should be positive 7. Let me check. If this transfer to this is okay. Yes, let's observe. This place is bigger than this. This place is supposed to be minus 7, not just 7. So this will cancel the minus will cancel the minus, and this minus will cancel. Remember, this minus is not just minus. It has minus 1 in front. All right. So when they cancel, this place is plus. So y is equal to plus. Therefore, x is equal to 12 and y is equal to 7. So these are the numbers. So if you want to check now, if you put these numbers, let's just, if you say check if what you have done is correct, or yeah, substitute this into this equation. You have x is what? Is 12 plus y is what? Is 7. It should give you 19. If you add the 2, it will give you 19. That shows that what you have done is correct. So this is a word problem leading to simultaneous equation. And I think with the help of these two equations, you already understand that before you start any word problem, you must replace values from the equation. You must create our parameters. Whenever you have created the parameters, it will now be easy for you to solve. Okay, in your exam, nobody will tell you that this is a word problem for quadratic, word problem for linear equation, word problem for this. But from the equation, you always know what to do. That is why you need to solve so many problems. Math is very easy. Once you understand the example, like now I'm giving you one example, you can solve so many problems as you can. Like for example, let's come to this number 2. If I only change this 19, the equation has changed. If I change this place to 20, the whole of my equation have changed. It's another new equation. If I change this, I continue changing these numbers. You see that this one example, you have solved 1,000 or 1 million problems already. You see, so math is simple. So it's just for you to realize that math is easy. Okay, so go to my YouTube channel. This is Simultaneous Maths Academy. Like, subscribe, and comment. I'm always there to reply your message. Thank you very much.